Hello, traders. Today is Monday, June 23rd, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index. So, anyways, on the 1 hour time frame, zoomed out quite a ways on the dollar index, I still think this may be an A, B, C. Now, since it's a lower way B, then that would mean it's either a running ABC or it's an expanding ABC, possibly. Target for me on the running ABC would be about the 100% Fibonacci extension, which we are very close to that area now. My second target for an expanding ABC would be the 161, 178. So I definitely think we'll be able to tell the difference by whether or not there's a break of structure. If price makes its way up to this fib level and then breaks structure to the downside, that's what's going to tell us the wave C is over. If price doesn't do that but continues to make high, low, high, low, high, low, and just keeps on pushing up towards the 161, 178, then that means that we would just continue to look for longs on the dollar via the dollar pairs themselves. So I really don't think this is just going to reverse back down. I mean, even if it does start to move down, I would put my Fibonacci retracement on here, and I would still be looking on for longs the dollar because we do not have that double top breaker structure at a Fibonacci yet. So there's really no reason to start looking for shorts on the dollar, at least not yet. So anyways, don't forget to like, subscribe. Don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.